Hello students and welcome back to your Rank Race JEE channel. I'm once again with a very big update that is coming directly from your NTA for the JEE Main student of 2025. Before I share this update, I want everyone to not panic. Do not panic because this news can generate panic. I can seriously understand that. But please listen carefully to whatever I'm saying. This update is once again uploaded in the notifications section of your JEE Mains website of 2025. The update says discrepancy in image uploaded by the candidate for the JEE Mains entrance exam. So I've read this notice. It is saying that there are certain applications where they found that the image uploaded in your application form is not up to the mark. So what they want is for you to change your photograph. They have given you a time of just 1 day. They have released this notice today, which is 16th of January, and they've given you time till tomorrow, that is 17th January, up to 11:50 p.m. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that such timely updates are available to you on this channel. Okay, and what are the things that you have to follow? Only those students have to change the photograph with whom the message has arrived either on your phone number, register phone number, or on your email. You must have received the email from the NTA telling you, directing you to change the photograph, re-upload the photograph. The new specification of the photographs are here. The specifications are: the size of the photograph must be between 10 kilobyte to 300 kilobyte. Your 80% of the face must be visible along with the ears. It should be in the white background and it should be a color photograph, not a black and white photograph. It should be in the JPG or the JPEG format. No specs are allowed until and unless you wear it regularly. If you wear regularly specs, then only wear the specs and click a photograph, otherwise do not wear them. This photo cannot be computer generated or you cannot fabricate it in your own computer. If such discrepancies are found, once again, there are high chances of getting your application rejected. Can you see your application can be rejected? They've written over there, if even after such strict instructions your photograph is still not clear, it is still not following all these directions, your application is highly to get rejected. And remember, every year approximately 20,000 25,000 applications do get rejected by the NTA. So please pay attention to all these details. Next thing is, they have also advised you to keep at least 6 to 8 photographs along with you, colored photographs, the same photographs that you have applied on the application form with you to the examination center. You have to carry them because they are required for various other purposes. Next thing is, bacha, they have very much directly advised you to not computer fabricate the images, otherwise there is high chances of getting your application form rejected. So this is the only thing that I have to convey to you, and also directing everyone to not panic in this situation. This is only applicable to those students who have received the message, or those who have received the email from NTA directing you to actually change your photograph and re-upload them. That is it. Thank you so much, and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that such timely updates keep on coming to you on time. Thank you so much.